Investing in real estate used to feel out of reach, but with Ark7, it's now accessible to everyone. Imagine starting your investment journey with just $20. Ark7 allows you to buy shares in carefully selected rental properties so you can enjoy the benefits of real estate without the headaches of management or maintenance. They handle everything while you earn passive income from monthly distributions. You can diversify your investments across various markets, reducing risk while positioning yourself for long-term growth. Plus, with Ark7, you can track your performance, receive updates, and even sell your shares when you need to. Security is a top priority, with advanced encryption and multi-factor authentication keeping your data safe. And let's not forget the tax benefits. Deductions on property taxes and mortgage interest can significantly enhance your returns. With Ark7, building your real estate portfolio is not just a dream, it's a reality you can start today. Visit topdealinsights.com to learn more and take the first step towards smart, accessible real estate investment.